Okay guys, this is my Glock, which I'm having problems with. Mag is full. Okay. Selector on semi-auto. As you can see, it just goes full auto. Now, you can see everything moves as it should. That little piece does come up. Everything moves as it should. I don't know what's wrong. I'd like some feedback from you guys. I've heard that this little piece right here that goes up and down is what locks the hammer back from going full auto, but nothing's bent. There's no extensive wear on the pieces. The gun has only been in my possession for about a month. I bought it brand new. You can see everything looks brand new. Everything's oiled. I just don't know what's wrong with it. I'm getting kind of frustrated at it. This is a Ksc Glock. Full auto. Doesn't work. Any help would be appreciated. Just leave a comment on what you think's going on. If you don't know, don't write anything. You probably know more about airsoft than most of you guys. But I'm just looking for something that I probably would have missed. So just leave a comment. Let me know if you think any part is broken, any part needs to be replaced. Alright, thanks guys.